The Relapse Continues by Michael Lyons. Thank you so much for listening. Miigwech, Gabiz and Dawieg. And I will see you again. Giga Wabamin, Minawa. In the morning when I rise, in the morning when I rise, in the morning when I rise, give me Jesus, give me Jesus, give me Jesus. You can have this whole world, give me Jesus. When I am alone, oh, when I am alone, when I am alone, give me Jesus, give me Jesus, give me Jesus. You can have this whole world, give me Jesus. When I come to die, oh, when I come to die, when I come to die, give me Jesus, give me Jesus, give me Jesus. You can have this whole world, give me Jesus, give me Jesus. Jesus, give me Jesus. You can have this whole world, give me Jesus.
That's beautiful, Michael.
Yeah. All right. Now, let's try this one again. I once was a dancer, I was young once like you, though I know I don't look it. I jumped high as the sky and I had fire in my eyes and legs like a stallion. And I had a girl and I loved her. My best friend was her brother. We were on top of the mountain that summer, thought we'd never be swallowed by the cracks, falling so far down, like the rest of those clowns begging bus fare back. And swallowed by the cracks, our pride worn down, talking times gone by like everybody else. Swallowed by the cracks, swallowed by the cracks. We've been swallowed by the cracks. We talk all night about what we could do if we would just get started. I'd choreograph, Eileen, she would act, and Stephen was the writer. But then Stevie ran away and got bored. Eileen took a job in a store, and I became a drunken old whore. And we'd been swallowed by the cracks, falling so far down, like the rest of those clowns begging bus fare back. And swallowed by the cracks, our pride worn down, talking times gone by like everybody else. Swallowed by the cracks, and swallowed by the cracks. We've been swallowed by the cracks. Maybe it ain't over, I can see it's up to me. You're only out when you stay out. You stay out 'cause you don't believe we could drive around in circles, getting nowhere all night long. Getting drunk with strangers, telling lies and singing along to the jukebox, baby. Swallowed by the cracks, our pride worn down, talking times gone by like everybody else. Swallowed by the cracks, our pride worn down, talking times gone by like everybody else. Swallowed by the cracks, swallowed by the cracks. We've been swallowed by the cracks, swallowed by the cracks. With a torch in your pocket and the wind at your heels, you climbed on the ladder and you know how it feels to get too high, too far, too soon. You saw the whole of the moon. There were unicorns and cannonballs, palaces and piers, trumpets, towers, tenements, wide oceans full of tears, flags, rags, ferry boats, scimitars and scarves, every precious dream and vision underneath the stars. Yes, you climbed on the ladder with the wind in your sails. You came like a comet, blazing your trail, too high, too far, too soon. You saw the whole of the moon. That's how that poem goes. All right.
Ooh, ah, na, 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 na.
I pictured a rainbow. You held it in your hands. I had flashes. You saw the plan. I wandered out in the world for years, while you just stayed in your room. I saw the crescent. You saw the whole of the moon. The whole of the moon.
Hey, yeah.
You were there at the turnstile with the wind at your heels. You stretch for the stars and you know how it feels to reach too high, too far, too soon. You saw the whole of the moon. I was grounded while you filled the sky. I was dumbfounded. You cut through lies. I watched the rain-dirty valley, and you saw Brigadoon. I saw the crescent. You saw the whole of the moon. The whole of the moon. I spoke about wings. You just flew. I wondered, I guessed, and I tried. You just flew, I sighed, and you swooned. I saw the crescent. You saw the whole of the moon. of the moon.
Hey, yeah.
With a torch in your pocket and the wind at your heels, you climb on the ladder and you know how it feels to reach too high, too far, too soon. Oh, of the moon. Oh, of the moon.
Hey, yeah. You saw the whole of the moon. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons.
All right. So, I didn't bring a pick.
That was great.
Hey, if you'd like to support the show, if you'd like to support Boozhoo NANABOOZHOO, you can click the links in the description box to either Patreon. On Patreon, you can give us a little bit of money every month, and we'll send you a book. PayPal, you can send us a little tip, or you can go to GoFundMe.com and help us raise money. We have a GoFundMe. Otherwise, if you'd like to order Ojibwe language books by me, Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist, you can click the links to Amazon.com and order. You know, I've got coloring books, comic books, children's picture books, like Gibberish, and Dog and Manga, Boozhoo Legitimate, many more. Click the links below. Miigwech. Let's dance. Put on your red shoes and dance the blues. Let's dance to the song they're playing on the radio. Let's sway while color lights up your face. Let's sway, sway through the crowd to an empty space. And if you say run, I'll run with you. And if you say hide, we'll hide. Because my love for you would break my heart in two. If you should fall into my arms and tremble like a flower, let's dance for fear your grace should fall. Let's dance for fear tonight is all. Let's sway, you could look into my eyes. Let's sway under the moonlight, the serious moonlight. And if you say run, I'll run with you. And if you say hide, we'll hide. Because my love for you would break my heart in two. If you should fall into my arms and tremble like a flower, Let's dance. Let's dance. Let's dance, let's dance, let's dance, let's dance, let's dance. I don't know what your problem is. You don't know what my problem is? I'm just here to announce the show. Gene, every time I want to do something on my own, you gotta muscle your way in, and this is my thing. I'm on the Rockstar Cartoonist podcast. I don't need you anymore. Can't you see that? You don't need me, but we're Kiss. I know we're kids, but it's not like we're married or anything. I just want to announce this show on my own. Well, all right. Oh, yeah. Well, all right. Hey, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Rockstar Cartoonist, the podcast about rock stars and cartoons. Gene! Never mind, I'm doing this. No, I want to do it. This is my thing. I'm telling you, I'm doing it. My name is Gene Simmons of Kiss. Ooh, yeah! And you're watching Rockstar Cartoonist. And I'm Paul Stanley of Kiss. Nobody cares. Oh, really? You don't think they care? Yeah, they care. Some of us care more than you know. What are you saying, Gene? I'm saying the thing I could never say before. What is it? I'm saying that I love you, Paul. You love me? But I'm married and I have 5 children. Yeah, so am I. That doesn't mean I don't love you. But I can't. You must. I can't. All right. Because that would be gay. I'm not gay. Come on. I just love you. Yeah, okay. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Emily Aubrey, and I Can Make You Love Me. Turn down the light, turn down the bed, turn down these voices inside my head. Lay down with me, tell me no lies, just hold me closely and don't patronize me, 'cause I can't make you love me if you don't. You can't make your heart feel something it won't. Here in the dark, in these final hours, I will lay down my heart. I feel the power that you don't. No, you won't. 'Cause I can't make you love me if you don't, if you don't. I'll close my eyes, then I won't see the love you don't feel when you're holding me. Morning will come, I'll do what's right. Just hold me, baby, and I'll give up the fight. And I will give up this fight. Oh, 'cause I can't make you love me if you don't. You can't make
make your heart feel something it won't. Here in the dark, in these final hours, I will lay down my heart, and I feel the power that you won't. No, you won't. 'Cause I can't make you love me if you don't. If you don't. If you don't. If you don't.
Oh, what? I can feel it coming in the air tonight, oh Lord. And I've been waiting for this moment for all my life, oh Lord. Can you feel it coming in the air tonight, oh Lord, oh Lord. Well, if you told me you were drowning, I would not lend a hand. I've seen your face before, my friend, and I don't know if you know who I am. And I was there and I saw what you did. I saw it with my own two eyes. You can wipe off that grin, I know where you've been. It's all been a pack of lies. I can feel it coming in the air tonight, oh Lord. And I've been waiting for this moment for all my life, oh Lord. Can you feel it coming in the air tonight, oh Lord, oh Lord. And I remember, don't worry, how could I ever forget? It's the first time, the last time we ever met. But I know the reason why you keep the silence up. No, you can't fool me, but the hurt doesn't show, and the pain still grows, stranger to you and me. I can feel it coming in the air tonight, oh Lord. I've been waiting for this moment for all my life, oh Lord. Can you feel it coming in the air tonight, oh Lord, oh Lord. I can feel it.
Me no giga je, Bakira. No. Hey everybody, good morning. I'm just making some makare mashkiki waboo. Oh, it's just about ready. Black medicine water, makare mashkiki waboo. No. So this is our house. Give you a little walk around. Here are some cartoons from the rock star cartoonist Michael Lyons. This comes from the book Little Cutie, a teddy bear's vision quest. You got Migazy, the eagle, by Michael Lyons. And then this is the living room. This is David Bowie. He's saying, stop. Look what I'm offering you. Your dreams. I ask for so little. Just fear me, love me, do as I ask, and I shall be your slave.
This poem's called This is the Sea, and I didn't write it. This is the sea. These things you keep, you'll better throw them away. You want to turn your back on your soulless days. Once you were tethered, but now you are free, because that was the river, and this is the sea. Now you're feeling weary, if you've been alone too long. Maybe you're suffering from a few too many plans that have gone wrong. And you're trying to remember how fine your life used to be, running around, banging your drum like it's 1973. Well, that was the river, and this is the sea. Now you say you've got trouble. You say you've got pain. You say you've got nothing left to believe in, nothing to hold on to, nothing but chains. You're scouring your conscience, raking through your memories, scouring your conscience, and you know that you once held the key. But that was the river, and this is the sea. Now I can see that you're wavering as you try to decide. You've got a war in your head, and it's tearing you up inside. You're trying to make sense of something that you just don't see. Trying to make sense now, and you know that you once held the key. But that was the river, and this is the sea. Now I hear there's a train that's coming on down the line, and it's yours if you hurry. You got still enough time. And you don't need no ticket, and you don't pay no fee. No, you don't need no ticket, and you don't pay no fee, because that was the river. And this is the sea. Behold, the sea. This is the sea. Oh, miigwech.